Like and follow to support Florida Car Show at flcarshow.com.
Look at this 1967. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous riding red. Wow. Look at this motor. 355. Got me one of those. Look at these crazy, crazy headers that you had to go up over the other two just to fit. Dual fan, big radiator, love it. Overflow, awesome. Look at that gorgeous overflow. K&N filter. What do they want for this? $77,000. Look at this awesome interior right here. It's got the EFI programmer over there. Cup holders. B&M shifter. Look how nice that is sitting in that console. Wow, right?